today we have another hair review from Love Me Hair. I think this is the second or third time I'm working with them. I can't remember. They sent me this gorgeous unit frontal. I don't know, I'm gonna leave, I can't remember all the hair specs and all that stuff. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below. And they also sent me some goodies. Okay, firstly, the hair comes in this little bag here. Press on nails, a scrunchie, earrings, lashes, and I think this is like a the phone pop thingy that you just attach to the back of your phone so you can hold your phone and you don't have like your quick finger like mine. So the wig also comes with like this extra elastic band, which I actually took out because the elastic band that comes with the wig itself is enough for me, but if you need that extra support, like this is so good. Like it is actually adjustable. You can add it to like whichever size you prefer and all that stuff. So that is fab. This is thin. Okay, this is what I love about like wigs with thin laces. Like nobody's trying to do like them thick ass laces that you just lay it and it's still see your lace. Like we want something seamless, let's say. So yeah, this lace on this unit is super thin. I like it. And yeah, so I've actually bleached the knots on this wig and I've applied my foundation to the lace, as you guys can see. Also, I'm wearing a wig cap which likes to slide backwards. But yeah, to be fair, I did not film that part because obviously you guys see that in most of my videos. But if anyone wants like a separate video of me bleaching knots or like putting foundation on my cap, let me know. What was that voice? Let me know and I will do that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling now and I'm gonna jump straight into the tutorial.